we were prompted, my stepdad and I, by his financial advisor to seek out an elder care attorney in Hendersonville. So at that point, we made an appointment and we came and had our meeting, and it was just such a success story after that. Some of my concerns were, as I said, it was my stepfather and my mom. His children lived out of state, and some of those concerns were the children never blended, and I was the primary caregiver. So I wanted to make sure that the decisions that were made here locally were truly in my stepdad and my mother's best interest all the way around. That I try to take as much emotion and set it to the side. And I've always said, when you're in a situation like this, you're actually project managing your parents' care. And if you can try to compartmentalize and put the emotion on the table and focus on the business at hand, it can be successful. And Johnson and McGinnis, I cannot say enough kind words, because without their guidance, their knowledge, and the education they provided to me, there's no way that I could have done what I did for both my parents. It was truly a transformation for me in my life. I had never been in this particular situation before, and the compassion that they showed to myself as the caregiver, as well as the client, my parents, was just phenomenal. They walked me through every aspect. Of course, we all, as we tend to try to make decisions, is there enough assets to where they can be taken care of the way that any of us want our family taken care of. And they took a lot of the stress, the heartache, and it was, I cannot express, again, it was just such a blessing. And the relationships, this was actually a 9.5-year journey for me with the firm.
Okay.
So that's a very long time, and you do develop some deep relationships. And I was able to use the knowledge that I gained from the firm to help other people where I live, and referring people to the firm so that they didn't have to go through what I did, trying to figure things out on my own, until the financial advisor suggested and made that connection for me. During the 9.5 years, the most valuable asset for me as the caregiver, when you have a family member, and before it ended, I actually had two, both of them were in long-term care. There's something new that comes up every day or every week, a situation that you're not quite sure how to handle, and the coordinator with the firm, I could simply make a phone call and present that question, and instantly they just would mentor me into how to resolve that issue. And rarely, they really didn't have to step in for me, but I do know that that would have happened if I could not have done that on my own. utilize resources that are available to you, regardless of your situation. There's always something to learn, and you never know where that journey may take you. So reach out and at least consult with someone at the firm, and it will make a difference in your life. It did for me, more so for me than it did my parents.